So you have stretch marks and you want to get rid of it. Well, join the club because there's actually a lot more guys out there with stretch marks than you think. Even in teens, it's estimated that 40% of guys have stretch marks. So, can you get rid of it? And if you can, how do you do it? Well, I'm gonna tell you, so let's start the video.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hey, just very quick, if you're new here on my channel, welcome. I'm Daniel, and I've been a male model for over 13 years. And on this channel, I give you tips that's got to do with grooming, style, fitness, and any men's issues. So consider subscribing and also clicking that notification bell so you won't miss any of the next videos. Now, is it possible to get rid of stretch marks? Well, to be honest, it's one of the most difficult skincare concerns out there to deal with, because there's no products on the market that can get rid of stretch marks completely. But there is a few things that can really help you out, and that's what I'm going to talk about. So let's start with the first one. First one is you can use a good quality cream that contains retinol. It's one of the only ingredients that's shown to improve the appearance of stretch marks. Good options are Dr. Dennis Gross Anti-Aging Moisturizer and Paula's Choice Resist. I'll add it for you in the video description, like always, so you can go and do your own research. Now, retinol is also found in good quality anti-aging products because it helps those fine lines and wrinkles. The way retinol works is that it builds collagen, making collagen bundles thicker and healthier. You can also get prescription retinoids, which is stronger than the products with retinoids that you get over the counter. Laser therapy. Laser therapy is one of the best options out there. I think it is the best actually, because it is backed up by studies, and it shows that people who went for laser therapy, they saw improvement in the appearance of their scars between 50 and 75%, which is a lot. Now, if you do want to take this route, you can go and see your dermatologist because they'll be able to help you out. If you don't have the money or you feel uncomfortable with doing laser therapy, you can try chemical peels. To be specific, TCA peels. Why TCA peels? Well, because TCA peels penetrate further than AHA or BHA peels. So they are better at stimulating collagen and elastin for the depth of damage in the stretch marks. Now, just some last advice. It's important to keep your expectations realistic because you won't be able to get rid of stretch marks completely. And remember, those stretch marks, they are carrying your story, what you went through. So for example, guys who were very heavily overweight and you lost that weight, then you have those stretch marks and you earned those stripes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!